What if I told you that focusing on weight loss is actually the wrong goal? Today, I'm going to show you the real goal you need to be focused on to transform your physique and health. And I'll even give you a beginner workout routine and a simple eating plan to get you started right away. Let's face it, most people measure their fitness progress by what they see on the scale. But here's the harsh truth. That number is often misleading. It doesn't tell you if you've lost fat, gained muscle, or just lost water weight. It doesn't reflect your health, fitness, strength, physique, or your well-being. And obsessing over it can lead to frustration, poor decisions, and even giving up altogether. Let me show you an example. These two people weigh exactly the same, but their body compositions are completely different. One looks leaner, stronger, and healthier, while the other appears less toned, all because of different ratios of muscle and fat. So what should you be focusing on instead? The answer is body recomposition. Stepping on the scale only tells part of the story. If you lose 5 pounds of fat but gain 5 pounds of muscle, the number won't budge, but your body will look drastically different. This is why relying on weight loss is like trying to read a book by just looking at the cover. You're missing out on the real story inside. Body recomposition is all about changing your body's ratio of muscle to fat. The goal is to build more muscle while shedding excess fat at the same time. This results in a healthier, leaner, fitter, and stronger version of you, regardless of what the scale says. For example, someone who loses 10 pounds of fat but gains 5 pounds of muscle will not only look leaner, but will also have more strength, better physique, better overall health, and a higher metabolic rate, which also comes with the benefit of more flexibility with what you can eat. To achieve body recomposition, you need to focus on these two things. A hybrid training program that combines resistance training with some cardio to build muscle and fitness, and a slight calorie deficit to lose fat. Here's a simple workout routine to get you started. Do this workout 3 days a week, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On the other days, just go for a 30 to 60-minute walk. Exercises: squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Focus on form, keep a natural back posture, engage your core, and drive through your heels, keeping your center of gravity balanced in between your feet. Push-ups or bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Keep elbows at 45 degrees and keep a natural posture in your back while tensing your core. Bent over rows, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Keep your back in a natural posture and focus on feeling the squeeze as your shoulder blades come together. Overhead shoulder press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Sit upright and avoid arching your back. Keep your core activated during the lift. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Keep the bar close all the way through the movement, balancing the center of gravity, and bring your hips forward to lift yourself upright. Don't use your back to stand upright. Keep your core activated. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Engage your core, avoid letting hips sag. Start with light weights to master form, and gradually increase weight or reps each week. Progression is the path to perfection. Don't rush the process. Your diet is just as important as your training. Here's a simple eating plan with multiple options for each meal to give you variety while supporting your body recomposition goals. Breakfast options: omelette with 3 eggs, spinach, mushrooms, and a slice of whole grain toast. Greek yogurt bowl with mixed berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of granola. Lunch options: grilled chicken breast with quinoa and steamed mixed vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Turkey and avocado wrapped with a whole grain tortilla, spinach, tomato slices, and a side of sliced cucumber. Dinner options: baked salmon with sweet potatoes and a side salad with olive oil and balsamic dressing. Lean beef stir fry with brown rice and mixed veggies like bell peppers, onions, and snap peas. Snack options: cottage cheese with a handful of blueberries or sliced peaches. Apple slices with natural peanut butter or almond butter. Your goal should be to consume 1 gram of protein per pound of body mass. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while a balanced intake of fats and carbs will keep your energy levels high. Focusing on body recomposition leads to benefits that go beyond weight loss. You'll have a stronger metabolism, increased strength, better aesthetics, and it's far more sustainable in the long term. Now you can start your own body recomposition journey. Just remember to follow these steps. Track your protein intake. Stick to the beginner workout routine I shared. Get adequate sleep and manage stress. Aim for a slight calorie deficit or maintenance level to support muscle gain and fat loss. Remember, it's not about the number on the scale. It's about building the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on transforming your body the right way. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey. Remember, progression is the path to perfection. Now get out there and be your own hero.